everyone, this is Jalissa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have two unboxings. One of this TV and the other one is my sideboard. If you're interested in seeing them, keep watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you already haven't subscribed. And leave me a comment and let me know what you think. I'm doing an unboxing of this TV. This is a LG 65-inch. And even though it's already halfway open, just want to show some of it. So as you guys know, I was moving, and as I was opening this package, I realized that one of the mirrors were cracked right there. So this was our fault. I can't return it because we were the ones that cracked it. So I'm just gonna have to order another piece of mirror. And it's okay because on my other mirror, on the other one that I have cracks on it. So I'm gonna have to order it, but it's not as bad as this. But I'll have to order a new glass. Wayfair, I will be leaving the link if anybody wants to purchase. And I mean, I love this piece. I have this, my second one, and I'm just gonna be buying the glass to be able to replace the piece that's broken. I just added the little glass right now that broke off, but it doesn't look right. But for now, until I replace it, that's the way I'm gonna be leaving it.